What's going on, YouTube fam? Y'all, I'm back and with all my eyes on. I'm getting ready to go to work. It's 6:23 in the morning, and I just want to come in and do like I promised. I promised I would bring y'all the free subscription box, but before we get into that box, y'all, I want to share y'all with y'all clock that I got. It's like a night light. You can charge your phone. You see, I got this for my guest bedroom, and I think this would be awesome in my travel trailer as well. So without having to say, y'all know I ordered one for my travel trailer as well. I should have just waited and held on to it to do another Amazon haul, but guys, y'all know how long I be having stuff when I do that. It came yesterday, so I want to get it out and share with you guys today. It has the UBS, the block, and it also has the little plug to plug it up. And I think this is nice. This one's going on my in my guest bedroom. So not only do they have to worry about not having somewhere to charge their phones, but you can just sit your phone there and charge it. It lights up like a night light, and it displays the time. I'm gonna plug it up so y'all can kind of see the light while we finish this unboxing. So let me get it plugged up. I'll be right back. It's cool. Can y'all hear it? It plays says life noise, but it sounds like the outdoors, like camping. So it's different sounds. Let me go play some more. Hold on. And it changes colors. Y'all, this is cool. I'm gonna have to play with it. I just took it out the box. Bluetooth mode. And then it's in, you can put it in Bluetooth, play your music through your phone. I like this. I really like this. Okay. I'll play with that later. That's cool. I'm definitely getting one for my camping. And I think that's gonna be awesome for my guests. Whenever they, come visit, I like, people to be comfortable. Okay, let's get into this free subscription box. Now, have y'all heard of PINCHme? Really? I remember years ago, PINCHme used to be around, but then I didn't hear anything about them. But honey, I got an email from somebody over at PINCHme to do a box. And I'm like, oh, y'all still around? She was like, yeah. So what I did, I went on the site. And I'm going to put the link below. It's free. You go on the site, and it's going to be a few things on there you might want to get to try out. And it'll ask you your age, things you like. Have you ever tried the product? And then at the end, they'll say, we're qualifying you for this product. And 2 minutes later, you're being qualified for this product. And it's just different stuff like you saying you're gonna get, and you'll go to their site and write a review, but it's still free stuff. And then you can get more points to get on your next box playing games. Y'all, I love playing games. I do. The game that I chose to pick to get 450 points, because it takes 650 points to get a box, was Bingo Blitz or something like that. I don't care. It's an in-money app. I play them too, but I don't buy. I just keep playing till when I come back, I got some more stuff to spend. I'm like, girl, yeah, I played bingo all day yesterday. That's why this video is getting up early this morning, because I was playing that darn bingo. But yeah, I'll put a link so y'all can go see it. But let's see what all the free stuff is inside of this box, okay? Bam. Nicely packaged. Won't you agree? Oh, this box is loaded. Okay, I got a little loofah. That looks like a Walmart loofah. You know the ones, it's not that fluffy, but it's a loofah. I got a little bath bomb. That's cool. I got a strawberry hand cream. Good, that's going in my bag, because it's strawberry. I had one of those in my, a little hand cream in my Walmart box. Oh, Okay, I got LA Color lipstick. Is that Walmart, $0, Family Dollar? Oh, it's $1, but I'll take it, okay? I don't need nothing but a good brown liner. All right. I have Ultima 6 Essential Electrolytes. I'm going to try that today. I'm going to take that with me to put in my water. Maybe I'll drink the entire thing because I need to. And then I have, oh, Kylie Cosmetics, y'all. Free. This is a free box. Did I say free? PINCHme is a free box. This is Kylie Jenner Matte Lipstick in Autumn Matte. I hope this is for me. Not too light. Oh, it is. That's pretty. That's pretty with a brown liner. Girl, shut up. That is perfect. Look at her. Well, I already had some on my lip, but this is a perfect color. Y'all gonna see me rocking this. I like that. I have Extra Super Lash. Okay. It's Rimmel. So Rimmel eyelash. Mascara. Rimmel mascara. Never haven't used the Rimmel mascara, but I'm happy to have it. You can never have enough. For me, I use some Rimmel products, but I haven't in a while. Let's see. Oh, okay. I got another one of those. I'm definitely glad to have these because I love the Liquid IV. Okay. We have, 5 minis. Moisture Care Lip Balm. Baby, look at her. 5 of them. This is something Carmex minis. Girl, I'm happy. Look at her. And that is a pretty good size because the big ones, I lose them before I get through them anyway. You have Wild Berry, Orange Mango, Strawberry, Fresh Cherry, and Cool Mint. Baby, yes, Carmex is still a thing for me. Yes, now I got a little side, that I can sit to the side and y'all gonna be there when I need you. If I lose one, I can grab another one. I know that's good. I have an Elements Pro Collagen Main Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. It's a small, tiny sample. And I do like the Elements Makeup Remover, so I give this facial cream a try. And then Jo Malone London Wild Bluebell by Jo Malone. Okay, well y'all know we're gonna have to spray it, right? Y'all knew that, didn't you? Might well just use it. Ooh, this smells good. It smells just like a blueberry. It got in my throat, y'all. Ooh, well it's gone. It's a one-time use. So I used it all up. Jo Malone. We have another hand cream. I'm not familiar with that company. Sador hand cream. Okay, you can never have enough. Well, can't be walking around with no ashy hands in 2024. Ain't no reason to. You just couldn't do it. Shouldn't do it. This box is full. We got Moroccan oil treatment. It's light for your hair. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. That's cool, cool. We got Eve Long. What is this? Radiance Enhance Clot. It's some kind of treatment. Radiance Enhance Clot. It looks like it's some kind of radiance treatment. Revlon? Is that what that is? No, that's not Revlon. That's Eve Long. I want to know what kind of treatment it is. Radiance Enhance. I'll have to look that up, guys. Time Retreat. I don't know if it's for your hair or for your face. I wish it was a little booklet in here, but I can just Google it and find out what this product is. But it's a pretty good size product, so yeah, I just got to figure out what the heck it is. Okay. We have a Petal Rose. Hydrogel face mask. Y'all know I love face masks. Mood Sub Hydro Gel. Rose Petal. Okay. Yes, tonight, baby. And we have the Moroccan Oil Shampoo set. A lot of y'all that been watching my videos know I got this set from Sephora. I think it was at the December sale, and it's almost up. So yeah, I'm happy to have these because I really enjoyed that shampoo and conditioner. And the last thing in this box is Tokumaya Shower Oil. Replenish the shine. Okay, it's a shower oil. And oh, okay. You got a good little amount in there. Tokumaya, a shower oil. Okay, I'm gonna put this right on in my shower. This is interesting. This is very interesting. Protects, hydrates, replenishes the skin. The skin's deepest layer. A shower oil with unique texture containing oil butter of Tokumaya. Your skin renewed with and more tone. Okay, this is interesting. I haven't seen this. Again, I like this. This is a great little box. It's all free. I mean, it was better than my $6 Walmart box with a lot of stuff that I found that I didn't know about, and it was free. So I'll go on there and play some games, answer a few little questions to get. This is a pretty good box. This is really good. Okay, guys, that's it. That's all. I got to get out of here and get to work. I hope everybody's having a wonderful, blessed Friday. And I probably won't do this video for Saturday, but I'm going to try to get it up on Friday. Y'all stay blessed. Bye, guys.